Hi everyone, Chef Angie and
Chef Cathy.
Yeah, and today we are going to teach you how to prepare a healthy meal. You know, these days people are into like health foods, eh? Yeah. You know like cow liver has some health benefits?
Please tell us more about it.
Okay, before I tell you, we are going to add some milk in that cow liver. And why we add milk is to remove any impurities. Yeah, so we soak it for about 30 minutes to remove any impurities. Right here we have a liver. We cut the pieces into bite size. We first remove the membrane, that skin and all those veins. They are very chewy, so you don't want to have them in your liver. So it is soaked for about, it's going to soak for about 30 minutes. Then we have our vegetables here, of course, tomatoes,
green pepper, lemon, an onion, some cilantro, ginger, garlic.
Yes, and for the spices, we have some simambili, we have turmeric, we have cumin seeds, we have black pepper, we have cumin powder and coriander, of course, some oil and some salt for seasoning. Yeah, so to start off, we are going to work with our vegetables. Please, chef, help me dice this. Heat up your pan.
And there are variety of herbs.
Just cook them until they are soft. So remember, our liver is soaking. It is soaking in milk, and I told you why we soak it in milk is to remove any impurities, to also make it tender, and also to remove that smell. Like there's that smell of organs.
But then there are people who have mastered making liver. Have you ever eaten chips and liver downtown?
Downtown.
Yeah, downtown.
No. Yeah, so we've added the garlic, as you can see, our tomato.
Garlic in or ginger? Sorry.
Ginger, yes, please. Ginger in. Season with some salt. You see, when you put the salt, it also helps to break down the tomatoes and they soften quickly.
Even water?
Please, every time you're cooking, have some little water nearby. People are gonna kusiriza into, you know, you don't want a burnt offering. So we are back, and we believe that our liver has soaked well. So, chef, we drained out the milk, as you can see. So we are going to use a paper towel to just pat it dry. Please help me pat it dry. Yes, as she's patting it dry, we are here with our onions and tomato, the vegetables, and they are cooking down. So we are adding the spices. We are adding some tomato paste. Voila!
So I have a question, chef.
Yes, please go ahead. Some water.
Wondering
why are we patting it dry? Because we're going to pan sear it. We're going to put it in the oil, so we don't want it to have any water on it. Otherwise, we'll have splatters of oil all over. Yeah, so what we are going to do in this other pan, we are going to put some olive oil. Please help me season that with salt. Yeah, thank you that the person is bringing paper. We'll have well, if we don't run, so you can see there are still some splatters of oil, but we are okay. We are chefs. Sindio. So we don't want to overcrowd the pan. Our pan is wide enough, so we'll go in with all the liver. Yeah, so liver takes a very short time to cook, and it cooks on high heat. So as you can see, yeah, let me control my heat here and turn some pieces. Liver takes a very short time to cook, like I said. And because we soaked it in milk, it's tender. It is tender, very easy to work with. As you can see, our liver is well cooked through 2 to 3 minutes, and it's ready. A green bell pepper. So because I love my vegetables crunchy, I don't want them to cook through. Now you add this paste that we did earlier. You just add it to the liver and you give it a stir. So for some acidity, we are going to just squeeze in a little lemon. Chef, can you do me the honors of finishing it off with some chopped coriander or cilantro? Thank you, thank you. Beautiful. And ladies and gentlemen, this is our liver stew.
Just slice our bread perfectly well, and I leave Chef Angie to do something amazing with it.
Okay, so we can have the base here. Thank you. Sukuma wiki. Then we will have beautiful. Sorry about that. A beautiful service with our liver.
Looks amazing.
Yeah, so our liver is stewed. Beautiful, and we will finish it off with that, and we are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, right here is the brioche bread and our liver stew ready to eat.
Voila.
Yeah, so as you can see, we are about to dig in.
But Chef Angie, where is my fork?
Oh, cut. Yeah, so right now it is time to dig in. Chef, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okwatirawa?
Tandikidde wanonze.
Otandikiddeawo. See, I want everything. Like everything.
Begin with my first bite.
A drink. Huh?